how to integrate Tidio with MAILCHIMP. So first, go to your account. Next is just click on the integrations here at the bottom left. Then from here, you just need to search for MAILCHIMP, or you can just click on MAILCHIMP here. Click on it. After that, just click on install MAILCHIMP. Okay, now from here, just click on new authentication. Okay. Now just click on create, or you can just type in your authentication name. So I'll just type in authentication test, and then click on create. Now you just need to log in your MAILCHIMP account here. I'll just log in mine. Okay, now you just need to authorize. Click on allow. Okay, as you can see, now just click on next. Just click on choose an option for your audience. Oh wait. Okay, click on finish, and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.